The blizzard has officially hit Perth Amboy, New Jersey. You cannot see more than 5-10 feet in front of us, and you cannot see anything behind us at all. So I'm estimating that the snow is actually coming from the south side of New Jersey. Well, the south side of well, the north side of Convery Boulevard to the south side of Perth Amboy, which is where I live. I actually live southeast, but whatever. You can't see a thing. Look at the cars next to us. Look at the snow in front of us. And they just did this less than an hour ago, and there's already another 2 inches of snow on the ground and a good 6.5 inches of snow on the sidewalks and the buildings. So let's go for some personal interviews. Mother.
She goes again.
Keep it PG, please. What do you think of this snow?
This is great.
What's so great about it?
I was expecting this for a long time. Years, like 10 years. How many years we've been living there? 10 years.
No, we haven't been living there 10 years. We moved on when I was 16.
8 years. I'm going sledding.
Yeah, we're going sledding right now. Well, we're gonna try. I have to change and find my North Face because my pea coat is not suitable for this weather. Look at the cars, they're all going 2 miles an hour. We're trying to make a left turn onto South New Brunswick Avenue. Well, we're trying to go southbound on New Brunswick Ave. And no, ni parece. Look at all the snow on the ground. This is Raritan Bay Medical Center. Like I said, you can't see it very well until we actually get right next to it because of the snow. And good thing I live next to the hospital because, God forbid, I break an ankle in my accident-prone attempt to have some childhood fun. I live next to the hospital. And now we are turning onto Broadhead Place. Wow, now we're doing it. Which is right next to my house. And you'll see once I get out the car how bad the snow actually really is. So, no, esto no se moja. Yeah, it's white on the inside. See, the cars are blocked in. My mom actually snow-blowed the snow out, and I actually shoveled last night. And you can't even gain access to our driveway because it looks like we didn't do a thing this morning at all. Ooh, careful with my car. Okay, this is my car with a good 4 inches of snow on top of it. I got home at 3 in the morning, so it shouldn't be that much snow on it, but sorry, my mom is like trying to, God knows what she's doing. Okay, come on.
I'm like that.
Because there's snow.
Brother, I want to go where I used to be.
You can't go where you used to be.
I gotta go.
Yeah, our car is lopsided because of the snow on the ground isn't even. That's better. Okay, so I'm gonna go change and get ready for our sledding. But before I go, let me show you this blizzard. Look at all that snow. The snow is almost up to my knees. And that's not saying much because I'm only 5 feet tall, but this is all coming to you via Social Work iFlip. And this is my house. Okay, I shoveled all this at 3 in the morning. My mom shoveled it at 6 in the morning, and it looks like we didn't do a thing. Huh. All right.